Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain particular integrals of method 2. So if particular integral of f of dy equal to sin ax or cos ax. So in place of q of x here, if sin ax or cos ax, then that belongs to method 2. Here a is a constant. So here a is constant. So in this also we have two cases. So coming to case 1, if f of minus a square not equal to 0. So when f of minus a square not equal to 0, then particular integral equal to 1 by f of d into sin ax or cos ax. Sin ax or cos ax. So that belongs to, so if in place of d here substituting minus a square, so that is 1 by f of minus a square into sin ax or cos ax. So this is the particular integral when f of minus a square is not equal to 0. So next case 2. Case 2, when f of minus a square is equal to 0. So then the particular integral that is equal to 1 by f of d into sin ax or cos ax. So therefore if f of minus a square equal to 0, then the particular integral of, so first I am taking here 1 by f of d sin ax. So therefore in place of d here I am writing d square plus a square sin ax or cos ax. D square plus, so first substituting d equal to minus a square, then f of d value is 0. Then substituting d square plus a square. So therefore here 1 by d square plus a square sin ax equal to formula minus x by 2a cos ax. Next 1 by d square plus a square into cos ax equal to plus x by 2a sin ax. So these are the formulas for sin ax and cos ax. So when f of minus a square equal to 0, then 1 by d square plus a square sin ax. So here 1 by d square plus a square sin ax equal to minus x by 2a cos ax, and 1 by d square plus a square cos ax equal to x by 2a sin ax. So coming to the problems. First problem, d square plus 4 into y equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. So here f of d of y equal to q of x. So here q of x in terms of sin x and sin ax and cos ax. So this belongs to method 2. So first to find the solution of auxiliary equation. So that is f of m equal to 0. So m square plus 4 equal to 0. Then m equal to plus or minus 2i. So this is in the form of alpha plus or minus beta. So here alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 2. So therefore complementary function y equal to e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So here substituting alpha and beta values. So alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 2. So therefore complementary function equal to e power 0x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So therefore e power 0 value 1. So c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So next coming to find the particular integral. So particular integral is 1 by f of d of sin ax or cos ax. So that means 1 by f of minus a square of sin ax or cos ax. So therefore here given 1 by f of minus a square of sin q of x, that is cos 3x plus sin 3x. So here what is f of d value? That is d square plus 4 cos 3x plus 1 by d square plus 4 sin 3x. So here a equal to 3. So substituting d square equal to minus a square. So that is d square equal to minus 3 square, that is minus 9. So in place of d square I am writing here minus 9. 1 by minus 9 plus 4 cos 3x plus 1 by minus 9 plus 4 sin 3x. So therefore here 1 by f of minus a square is not equal to 0. So this belongs to case 1. So therefore here minus 1 by minus 5 of cos 3x plus 1 by minus 5 sin 3x. So therefore minus 1 by 5 of cos 3x plus sin 3x. So this is our required particular integral. So therefore general solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So that is equal to here complementary function c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x minus 1 by 5 of cos 3x plus sin 3x. So this is our required general solution of given problem. So coming to the next problem, that is d square plus 16 into y equal to e power minus 3x plus cos 4x. Okay. So f of d of y equal to q of x. So here q of x is not equal to 0. So first term belongs to method 1 e power ax and second term belongs to method 2. So therefore first to find complementary function. So here I am writing auxiliary equation of given equation. So that is f of m equal to 0. So m square plus 16 equal to 0. Then m equal to plus or minus 4i. So then complementary function y equal to e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So here alpha value 0 and beta equal to 4. So therefore complementary function e power 0x. So that is 1 c1 cos 4x plus c2 sin 4x. So this is our complementary function. So moving to particular integral. To finding particular integral, that is 1 by f of d. So that is d square plus 16 into e power minus 3x plus cos 4x. So therefore 1 by d square plus 16 e power minus 3x plus 1 by d square plus 16 cos 4x. So this is method 1, belongs to method 1. So what is method 1? Substituting in place of d equal to a. So here a equal to minus 3. So therefore 1 by minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 16 e power minus 3x plus here substituting d square equal to minus a square. So that is minus 4 square 16. So minus 16 plus 16 cos 4x. So this is here f of minus a square equal to 0. So this belongs to case 2. So formula for case 2, that is 1 by d square plus a square cos ax equal to x by 2a sin ax. So here we have 1 by d square plus 16. So that is 4 square into cos ax. So cos 4x equal to x by 2a. So here a value is 4. So x by 2 into 4 sin ax, sin 4x. So that is x by a x by 8 sine 4x. So therefore our particular integral 1 by 9 plus 16 25 e power minus 3x plus x by 8 sine 4x. So therefore general solution of given problem y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So here complementary function c1 cos 4x plus c2 sin 4x plus 1 by 25 e power minus 3x plus x by 8 into sin 4x. So this is our required general solution. Next problem, d square plus d plus 1 into y equal to sin 2x. So here first to finding the solution of auxiliary equation, that is complementary function f of m equal to 0. So m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0. So here m equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3i by 2. So therefore here alpha equal to minus 1 by 2 and beta equal to root 3 by 2. So therefore y equal to e power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So therefore complementary function e power minus 1 by 2 x of c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2x. So this is our complementary function. So next coming to the particular integral. So that is 1 by d square plus d plus 1 into sin 2x. So here substituting d square equal to minus a square. So here a equal to 2. So that is minus 2 square minus 4. So 1 by, here d square is minus 4 plus d plus 1 into sin 2x. So that is equal to 1 by minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So that can be written as d minus 3 sin 2x. So here actually this is in the form of d square plus a square. So by changing this that form, so here substituting multiplying and division by d plus 3. So then d plus 3 by d plus 3 into d minus 3 sin 2x. So d plus 3 by d square minus 9 sin 2x. So here by changing the d square plus a square form, I am divided and multiplied by d plus 3. So therefore here again substituting d square equal to minus 4. So therefore d plus 3 by minus 4 minus 9 sin 2x. So therefore d plus 3 by minus 13 sin 2x. So 1 by minus 1 by 13 of here d plus 3 into sin 2x. So minus 1 by 13 of d of sin 2x plus 3 sin 2x. Okay, so here d is nothing but differential operator. So d is differential operator and 1 by d is inverse operator. So 1 by d is nothing but integration and d is nothing but differentiation. So minus 1 by 13 d of sin 2x. So differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x plus 3 sin 2x. So this is our required particular integral. So general solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So therefore y equal to complementary function e power minus 1 by 2 of x into c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2x plus particular integral minus 1 by 13 2 cos 2x plus 3 sin 2x. This is the solution of given problem. Next one, d square minus 4 into y equal to cos square x. So first to finding the solution of auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. So m square minus 4 equal to 0. So m square equal to 4. Then m equal to 2 comma 2. So the roots are real and equal. So therefore complementary function y equal to e power mx into c1 plus c2 x. So therefore y equal to e power 2x into c1 plus c2 x. So next to finding the particular integral, 1 by d square minus 4 into cos square x. So that is 1 by d square minus 4 into, so here cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So therefore 1 by d square plus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 of 1 by d square minus 4 into cos 2x. So here 1 by 2, here in place of 1 I am writing e power 0x into 1 by d square minus 4 plus 1 by 2 of, so in place of d square here writing minus 4. So 1 by minus 4 cos 2x. So therefore here 1 by minus 4 substituting d equal to 0. So here minus 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 8. 1 by minus 8 plus minus 8 into 2 minus 16. 1 by minus 16 cos 2x. So therefore minus 1 by 8 plus minus 1 by 16 cos 2x. So this is our required particular integral. So general solution, y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So y equal to complementary function e power 2x into c1 plus c2x plus particular integral minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 16 cos 2x. So this is the method 2 concept of particular integrals. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.